Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 or a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which I've half put black. There's nothing here yet. And I'm going to do a straight pour down the centre there, and I did one the other day and I've just put it up on YouTube as a matter of fact, and it was the first time I'd done one like that, and so I thought, while I'm on a roll, because it turned out so lovely, maybe I should do a second. So I have lemon yellow, warm red and honey yellow, and obviously a little bit of black. Let's take that out, and I don't want a lot of black in there, so, and I'm just hoping I don't lose my yellows. I just did a pour with these same colours, and I lost both the yellows, so I sort of had these different shades of red, which looked really good, but you know, it wasn't what it was. So we're just going to see how we go here with these. And I'm getting to the last of them, so what I might do is just scratch out the last bits over the top of this, and can't hurt, don't want to waste the paint. But since it's not a wing, I don't really care if the colours are a bit otchy-blotchy, because they'll be quite pretty. Okay. It's always pays to scrape out the cups, because there usually is quite a, well, look at this, there usually is quite a fair bit of, this is just left over from the previous, but they're the same colour, so. Alright, we'll see how we go. First in, last in, first out, so those colours will probably just get run off anyway. Alright, now let's do a bit of this. Once will be enough, I think. Right, and I'll just tilt it up a little bit to you, and we'll see how we go. And once again, the yellows are playing hide and seek, which is a bit of a shame. I'll take it right down to the very end. Over you go, that way a bit, and this way please. Thank you. And I'll turn it around and just bring him back a bit over this way, so he's a bit more evened out. Okay, so, well, that's different. I like it, and I think I'll get my piece of tubing I have here and just do a bit of a, put some softer edges on it. Whoa, that's really pretty. I might just torch it first. I want my hands. I'm doing a lot of things first. You'll find the recipes for these paints and the pouring medium under Show More, just below this video. And nothing exciting about them, they're just ordinary. Tell you what, that's got to be close to my fingernail and I can smell it. Smells clongy. Alright, so where did I say my tuning was? I said it was here. That is really, really pretty. We'll see what happens. Yep. All right, that is certainly pretty. Let me have a look at this end. Did I get it all covered? I did. That is really pretty. What are you looking at there? Yes, you're seeing such prettiness too. So I'm going to torch the edges there again, and then I'll bring it in and have a look. Seen a couple of little loopy blotchy bits, so I'm just going to get some black paint, and there's a piece here that doesn't have much paint on it, and I'll just give a bit more, and then these bits. Alright, I think that's good. Make sure these corners have got enough. these little darker pieces here have got such a lot of patterning in them. They're really quite pretty. At first I thought, oh, gross, but no, I'm thinking they do look very nice. Just getting some black around here. Maybe on there too, eh? That looks nice. Put in there. I don't think they need to come that close to the edge, so that will make them look a bit more like this side. Okay. Alright, so I'll bring you down to take a look and see what you think. It's really pretty. Underneath Show More as well, you'll find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. And where are you? There you are. I'll go around this side away from the glare. Yes, as I was saying, you're more than welcome to come across and enjoy it, join us there, and some nice people over there, quite talented, some newbies. And you don't have to be a pourer to join our group. No, you can do any art format. Oh, stupid dog wants to bark all day today, I think. Stop it, Mrs. Barker! Aptly named. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed, and please give this the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.